Curiosity has always driven humanity to seek out the most remarkable and astonishing facts about our world and beyond. From the depths of our oceans to the farthest reaches of space, the universe is filled with wonders that constantly challenge our understanding. Here are the top 10 most fascinating facts that are sure to amaze and inspire you. Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that almost every star you see is just a tiny fraction of the stars actually out there. In fact, astronomers estimate that there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth. That's more than 100 billion galaxies, each containing millions or even billions of stars. Every time you gaze into the dark, you're witnessing just a sliver of the cosmic tapestry that stretches for billions of light years in every direction. Let's travel beneath the waves for our next fact. The deepest part of the ocean is called the Challenger Deep, located in the Mariana Trench. It plunges nearly 36,000 feet below the surface, so deep that if you dropped Mount Everest into it, the peak would still be submerged by over a mile of water. The pressure at these depths is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and yet, life still thrives there, including mysterious creatures that seem almost alien in their appearance and behavior. Moving from the ocean's depths to the intricate world of the human body, did you know that your heart beats around 100,000 times every single day? Over the course of an average lifetime, that adds up to more than 2.5 billion heartbeats. This tireless organ pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood through your body daily, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell and carrying away waste. The heart's remarkable endurance and efficiency make it one of the most impressive biological machines ever evolved. Shifting our gaze skyward again, the planet Saturn stands out with its spectacular ring system. But here's something even more fascinating. Saturn is so light relative to its size that if you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float on water. This is because Saturn is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, making it the least dense planet in our solar system. Its rings, though stunning, are only a few meters thick in some places, composed of countless icy particles orbiting the planet at incredible speeds. On the topic of speed, let's talk about the fastest animal on Earth, the peregrine falcon. When hunting, this bird can dive at speeds exceeding 240 miles per hour, making it not only the fastest bird but the fastest animal on the planet. During these high-speed dives, called stoops, the falcon tucks its wings close to its body, becoming a streamlined missile hurtling toward its prey with astonishing precision and agility. Traveling back in time, consider the age of the universe itself. Scientists estimate that the universe is about 13.8 billion years old. That means the light from the most distant galaxies has been traveling toward us for almost 14 billion years, allowing us to glimpse the universe as it was shortly after the Big Bang. Every time we look deeper into space, we are essentially looking back in time, uncovering clues about the origins of everything we know. On a smaller scale, but no less impressive, let's talk about honeybees. These tiny insects are responsible for pollinating about 1/3 of the food we eat. A single honeybee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in a day, gathering nectar and pollen. In her lifetime, a worker bee will produce only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey, but collectively, a hive can produce dozens of pounds in a season. The intricate dances bees perform to communicate the location of flowers to their hive mates are a marvel of natural engineering. Now, let's look at the remarkable adaptability of life. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is one of the toughest creatures on Earth. These microscopic animals can survive extreme conditions that would be lethal to almost any other form of life. Intense radiation, freezing and boiling temperatures, even the vacuum of space. When conditions become harsh, tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis, in which they essentially dry out and suspend all biological activity, allowing them to endure until conditions improve. Turning our attention to the animal kingdom, the blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have existed, bigger even than the largest dinosaurs. These gentle giants can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Their hearts alone are the size of a small car, and their tongues can weigh as much as an elephant. Yet despite their size, blue whales feed almost exclusively on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill, consuming up to 4 tons of them every day during feeding season. Finally, for our 10th fascinating fact, consider the power of the human mind. The brain is the most complex object in the known universe, with about 86 billion neurons, each forming thousands of connections to other neurons. This intricate network is capable of producing thoughts, emotions, memories, and consciousness itself. The brain's capacity for learning, creativity, and adaptation is virtually limitless, driving innovation, art, and exploration. Even today, scientists are only beginning to scratch the surface of understanding how our minds truly work. These 10 astonishing facts serve as a reminder that our universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. From the unimaginably vast to the incredibly small, from the wonders of the cosmos to the miracles within our own bodies, there's always something new to learn and marvel at. Every fact is a doorway to deeper understanding, sparking curiosity and inspiring us to keep exploring, questioning, and seeking out the extraordinary in the world around us. Whether you're gazing up at the stars, diving into the ocean, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the heartbeat within your chest, remember, the universe is full of stories, and the most fascinating ones are often waiting just beyond the next question.